Rear shock absorber renewal. Chock the front wheels. Slacken the rear road wheel nuts. Then jack up the rear of the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Remove the rear wheels. Release the handbrake. Spray the shock absorber lower mounting nut with WD-40 or similar. Unscrew the lower mounting nut and remove the bolt. Unscrew the upper mounting bolt and withdraw the shock absorber. Loosely fit the new shock absorber by screwing in the upper bolt by hand. Do the same with the lower bolt. Apply the handbrake. Fit the rear wheel, tightening the bolt. Lower the car to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts further with a torque wrench to 120 Newton meters or 89 pounds per foot. Tighten the lower bolt with a torque wrench to 75 Newton meters or 55 pounds per foot. Tighten the upper bolt with a torque wrench to 100 Newton meters or 74 pounds per foot.